So once again I welcome to all my dear students in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 2. Let me sum up. So in the previous session we have discussed about a giant, about the king and about the prince. That one big giant was caught by the king and he put this giant into the imprisonment. And one day his son, the prince, was playing with the ball, golden ball, and the ball went inside into the cage, which was in which the giant was imprisoned. Now what does happen? Now what happens next? That let us see. Please throw my ball back to me, giant. Here the prince requested to giant that please throw my ball back. I want. I will give you a nice banana or apple or maybe cookies if you just give it back. Here the small prince is requesting to big giant that you please give me back my golden ball, which is my favorite ball. By mistake I was playing and went inside, so you please give me that ball to me. If you give me, then I will give you a beautiful and nice banana or apple or cookies. Even cookies also I will give, but what you have to do? You will have to give me the ball, golden ball. I will only give your ball back if you release me, he said. But giant was very clever. So giant said that if you want to get release, if you want to get your ball, then you will have to get me release. You will have to release me from here. Then only I can give. Otherwise, you please forget your golden ball. I will only give your ball back if you release me, he said. The boy knew his father would be angry. The boy knew that with great effort his father caught this big giant. And it was very precious for him, and he understood that if I release him, definitely my father will get angry and my father will punish me. But he wanted his ball, and besides, he loved his ball. That ball also he wanted. He did not want to release this big giant, and he wanted the ball. That was not possible, something he had to do. He stole the key to the cage and freed the giant. Then what did he do? Finally, in a lust of, finally he wanted to get his golden ball. So he stole the key to release the giant. He found the key and opened the lock and made free the giant. That evening, all the kings from all over the land were gathered in the palace to see the giant. At that time, everybody came. All guests came. Everyone all gathered together to see the giant. All came in the palace, but giant was not there. But there was no giant. Giant was not there because giant was released by the prince. The king was so angry. He flew into the rage. The king was out of control, so much angry that who made free. He flew into the rage. He got angry and swore that he would punish the person who had stolen his key and freed the giant. And he decided that I will give punishment whoever stole my key and freed the giant, whoever it may be, that he swore also. No matter whoever it was, no matter who it was, but I will punish. When he found out it was his own son, he was heartbroken. But when he came to know that the key was stolen by not anybody else, but his own son, the prince, so he was very disappointed. Heartbroken means very disappointed. But a king has no choice but to keep his promise. But he did not have any other way because he promised because he vowed that he will punish whoever had stolen the key and made free this giant. So he had no any other choice to do. He had to punish. The king sadly banished golden logs. Then what? The king sadly banished golden logs, and he has to banish, that means send away from his kingdom. He told his best soldiers to take gold logs far, and he told his soldiers that you take gold logs and take him very far, far away where he could never return. Very far you take him. So he will never return, he will never come back here. But the soldier did want to do this duty to so young a boy, but the soldiers were very benevolent, very kind. So they did want to do this duty to so young a boy. He was very young. This prince was very young, so soldiers were also reluctant to do. So he decided to find a way out. So they decided that they will do, not to bring him very far, but they will do something for prince also, because he was very young. Okay, so my dear student, here we will stop for today's session. We will continue later on. Thank you very much. Goodbye.